Your sibling can rewind time and you're the only one that remembers. Usually they use it sparingly, but today has been repeating a suspicious number of times. I frown as I look at the date on my phone. January 28, 2024. I don't even know how many times it's been now. I lost count after 15. I glance up over at Jake, keeping my gaze subtle. He's surrounded himself with paper and is muttering to himself. Clearly he keeps turning back time to stop something from happening. My eyes are drawn back to my phone as I unlock it and access my game. I'm slightly frustrated that my progress is never saved. It keeps repeating, but the moves are almost muscle memory at this point as I think. Jake doesn't know I can remember when he rewinds time. As far as he knows, he's the only one who lives the loops. Usually, he doesn't use it much. A day here, so he actually studies for the spelling test. A day there, so he gets some rest before the big game. Little things, stuff I can easily ignore. But this, he's never rewound time so much before. Never restarted the day so many times. And whatever he's rewinding it for has to be something he hasn't been able to do. Not with as many times as he's been doing this. I've never told him that I know he rewinds time. It's not something I've actively hidden from him. It's just something that never came up. And why would it? I don't think there's anything wrong with restarting the day to have time to study for a test, or to make sure he's in good shape for the game. But this has to stop. It can't be healthy. I sigh, put my phone down, and walk over to Jake. This has to stop, I tell him bluntly. He looks up at me and gives me a strained smile. Oh, Susan. This is just an assignment. Due Monday. That I've been working on. His voice trails off as he takes in my unimpressed stare. I let the uncomfortable silence hold, the only noise being from the rain splashing against the windows. Yes. Due tomorrow, I repeat as I cross my arms over my chest. And is there any reason you couldn't have done this assignment? I used finger quotations so that he'd know that I knew it was bull. The last I don't even know how many times you've made this day repeat? Another moment of silence, broken only by the rolling thunder of the storm outside. What do you mean? Jake asks slowly. I sigh. Clearly I'm going to have to spell it out for him. I know you can rewind time, I tell him bluntly. I live through it every time you do. He looked at me and his eyes began to shine. Have you figured out how to stop from passing away today?